In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Notion is unique and how to build your all-in-one workspace. Notion stands out because it combines the best parts of note-taking, project management, and wikis into a single, flexible platform. Think of it as an operating system for your work and life, where everything is connected and customizable. At the heart of Notion is a block-based building system. Every piece of content you add is a block: text, images, checklists, databases, even embedded videos. You can drag and drop blocks to rearrange your page, nest them for structure, or mix media so meeting notes, screenshots, and action items live side by side. A helpful tip is to start with a simple text block and gradually add other block types as your page needs grow. This keeps things clean while giving you room to expand. Databases are where Notion really shines. You can create a single database and view it as a table for data entry, a calendar for deadlines, or a Kanban board for moving tasks through stages. The magic is that it's the same data shown in different ways. You can also link databases together so, for example, a tasks database can be related to a projects database. That connection lets you see only the tasks tied to a specific project without duplicating information, keeping everything consistent and up to date. Notion's pages are interconnected, forming a flexible hierarchy. You can nest pages within pages to create sections like team spaces, projects, or personal areas. Combine it with linked databases and you get dynamic, cross-referenced information, not isolated documents. Link to a page or database from anywhere so relevant details are always one click away, reducing the time you spend hunting for context. Because it's an all-in-one platform, Notion aims to replace multiple tools. Notes, docs, wikis, task boards, and reference materials can live in one place, which means less context switching. You can embed files and content from other apps so your resources are accessible without leaving your workspace. Customization is a core strength. Choose page icons and covers, adjust layouts with columns, and design workflows that match how you think. Build a dashboard with your most used views, today's tasks, upcoming deadlines, and important docs, and tailor filters to surface exactly what matters. Finally, collaboration is built in. Multiple people can edit a page together, leave comments where discussion is needed, and use mentions to bring someone into the conversation. This keeps communication connected to the work itself, reducing back and forth and helping teams move faster. With blocks, linked databases, interconnected pages, and real-time collaboration, Notion gives you the tools to build a workspace that fits you, not the other way around.